Hidden deep within the jungle live Earth's greatest survivors.
A jaguar silently moves through thick jungle shadows. Colorful parrots fly above giant trees as monkeys swing below.
A huge anaconda slides slowly through muddy river water.
Poison dart frogs glow brightly on wet jungle leaves.
A giant gorilla pounds its chest during a thunderstorm.
Crocodiles wait silently near the riverbank as zebras drink water.
Every sound, every shadows can mean danger. The jaguar leaps from the darkness during a dramatic hunt.